The last thing I wanted to show you with problem 3 is how to actually read the data from the file. And so if we look at the file, so if we're looking at the data section, these things are separated by tabs, okay, each piece of data. And in here, the data is separated from its title by the colon. And so we can use those to read each part of the file. So first of all, while we're reading the data, what we're going to want to do is split up the line by tabs. And so I can assign, I'm just going to call it parts because it's the parts of the line. So we're going to take the line, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to call this strip command, which basically strips all blank spaces off the beginning and the end of the line, and also strips off that the new line character \n. And then I want to split the line into pieces using the \t, the tab character. Okay, and then to make sure that works, I'm going to go ahead and print parts. Save the file. So last time video I had Cygwin working. For some reason Windows updated and Cygwin is no longer working, so we're going to have to suffer through the Windows shell, but that's okay, it'll still work. Okay, and so what happens is we can see that it split up all our data into individual components using the tabs. And so that's good. That's what we want to happen. And so we can access each of these by getting the appropriate array element that we want. And similarly, when we're reading the standard curve definition, we probably want to say parts. Again, we want to strip off any extra spaces and the end of line character. And this time we're going to split by the colon. And the same thing, okay, when we're looking at the data. So again, we might as well print parts here too. All right, save that, and we're going to go ahead and run it. And so you can see it split all those lines up into something that you can now deal with. And so you can convert these strings into numbers, assign them to whatever array or dictionary that you want, and that will help you go through this file and deal with each individual component.